Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to Lowe's to see, like, if we are gonna get a better price on these porch and other stuffs that we're looking at. So yesterday, we went to Home Depot and we saw, and especially the kitchen countertops, it's pretty expensive, but online we figured out Lowe's is much cheaper. So I just wanted to feel the texture of the countertops and the patio flooring and stuff. So we're gonna go there and check out. If there's something we like, then we probably are gonna see and if we can order and stuff. So tomorrow we are gonna get a quote of how much the cost of the interiors would happen. So right now we're heading to Lowe's, so keep you updated. So yeah guys, we are here at the flooring and the tiles option. So right now these are the options that we have, and they're a little different compared to the ones that we had in Home Depot. And I just want to see if they have any white options in them. Chanda, this one, white porcelain. This one. This one.
You like this one?
That one.
Glossy one now.
No, this one.
Okay.
Is it this one?
This is indoor outdoor. No?
Yeah. It says slip resistance. Where does it say indoor outdoor?
There.
Where?
Wall and floor. Processed edge. Resistant slip.
I think it's porcelain. You can put it outdoor.
You can put outdoor.
I think I like this.
Very smaller one.
Yeah, I mean yeah.
Even this is good, the first one.
This one? Yeah, that's also okay. But they have a little better options comparatively, I feel. But these things will be more sturdier. I mean, better in terms of durability.
Even these are porcelain.
Yeah, but they're better in terms of durability, I feel.
No.
How about these wood? Check out matte porcelain. See this? Don't you like it?
Nice.
Huh?
Yeah.
But is it outdoor?
Yeah, it's both indoor outdoor.
So this is another color we like. I think we should just take a sample and keep it. Just one sample and keep it if we like it. So these are the other options, guys. Do you like designs like these?
No. No, I don't.
Stop. Actually, even this is nice. See? These small squares. Chandu. The small squares like these. This one.
That is bathroom.
That's bathroom.
That's for bathroom.
Where does it say bathroom?
No, in bathroom floor, that's what they put.
In outdoor you can put.
It is mainly for bathroom.
But my thing is, did you like this finish? They do.
Per square foot, it's $23 on that.
Let's see what he says. If it's much cheaper, then we can get it done with him. Chanda, I really like this color. I think we should just take a sample of this and go.
Which one?
This one.
First one.
No, the second one.
It's okay, it's not that great.
Huh?
Just take.
So we are right now in the quad section, and well, we're not seeing much of a price difference. It's almost the same, but we have to see if they have better selections. So this is quads as well. Yep, the prices are all the same, so nothing different. These are natural stones, so they're much cheaper, but then yeah, the price is not different.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's the same. Ah. But then I feel like their selection is much different than what we had there.
Yeah, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 30% off ಅಂತ.
And that is E. E is how much?
ಇದು A ಇದು. A is ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
A is right here, 61.
63 ಇತ್ತು A.
69.
69.
61.
Oh. B ಮೇಲೂ 30 off ಇದೆ.
I want something very pure
ಇದು
white.
ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ?
Stellas, no?
ಏನದು? ಓ.
Pure white is 81. You have that side also?
Where?
That side? So here are the fireplaces options, guys. Like I think back in Home Depot we just had that. This is complete all white, and this is a bit of beige. So I think I like this all white thing. I'll see if we have a stone here. This is gray again. This is, I think, again all gray and white. Nope. I think this is the one which is all white. Yeah. But I still want like a pristine white tiles. But I think I kind of like that because it's white. I don't think you can see in this light because it's like a bit of grayish tinge, but that is the white that I'm looking for. So we are at the light section, guys. Seeing if we like anything. See, this is a new trend, I'm telling you. So I was thinking of a white thing like this.
You already ordered, no?
Yeah, I've ordered. So I've already ordered the dining lights, guys, because you know I found them to be more appropriate. But I also kind of like this guy here. They're pretty cute. Like, I don't know, I'm gravitating towards lights like these. They give you more rustic and more nice finish. So yep, I love these kind. So we are at the fan section right now, and I think like with fan section, like Home Depot, the design that we liked, it was much better there. So we're gonna probably stick on to that. These fans are pretty small and the designs are not that modern, so I think we're probably gonna stick on to the fan that we selected at the Home Depot. I love this look of the cabinets and stuff, so it's really beautiful. And I wish like we could make our bar area something like this. So we came out of Lowe's, and trust me, they were no different than Home Depot. So I think we have to look for options online. I was just thinking like in store you could feel the stone and like make a better decision, but I think now I have an idea as to like, you know, what porcelain would feel like or what other materials would feel like. So I feel like we have to look for online for much cheaper options. So that is what we have to do right now, and now we are heading back home, and also in the next few minutes show you the kind of light that I've selected for the dining area. So we have to put the chair back together, and I've ordered the uniform sprayer, like paint sprayer, so I'm going to tell you what happened with the chair. So keep you posted. Right now we're heading back, and once I'm back in the house I'll probably like let you guys know.